All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from, I don't know where it's from, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Ooh. All right, so now I know what this is. This is from Malaysia, and this is from a company called Meet Me. They sent a shopping bag. Yeah, check that out. We use these things constantly, so this is cool. Thanks. And this is their chili pan mee. And this stuff has been really popular over in Malaysia, so they say. And yeah, I've tried the older version of it, and it was really good. So this is a new formulation. It's got noodles, seasoning. It's got fried anchovies in it. It's really good. So if they've improved on it, that should be even better. So wow, cool. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and I'll be reviewing this soon. Have a good one. Bye.